next topic is addition and subtraction of fractions. How we can add or subtract two otherwise more than two fractions. Okay, so first step is, if denominator is not same in all the fractions, then first of all we need to take LCM. Okay, first of all we need to take LCM. Then we can add or subtract the fractions. Now if we take LCM one time, then we can add or subtract the fractions. But if more than two fractions are there, and if all the fractions have different sign, then what we need to do? First of all, we need to decide the process. That means which process we need to apply, addition or subtraction. There is some rule to decide whether we need to do addition or subtraction. If our two fractions have positive signs, plus plus, then we need to add that two numbers. Okay, if two numbers have negative sign, then even we need to add that numbers. If one number have positive sign, one number have negative sign, then we need to subtract it. If one number have negative sign, another number have positive sign, again we need to subtract it. Okay, so in this way we can decide whether we need to do addition or subtraction. Plus plus addition, minus minus addition, plus minus subtraction, minus plus subtraction. After we done the process, that means addition or subtraction, at last we need to put the sign, and sign rule is we need to put the sign of big number. Okay, we need to put sign of big number. Now let's take one example. That means 5 by 3 minus 1 by 2. Okay, then what we need to do here? First of all, just take LCM here. First step, right? Denominator is not same. Then we need to take LCM. So just do the cross multiplication process here. This 2 is multiplied with this 5. It's a 10. 5 to the 10. Then negative sign. Then this 3 goes to multiply with 1. So 3 ones are 3. And in denominator, multiplication of this 2. 3 to the 6. Okay. So our answer is 10 minus 3. Now here, one positive means here plus 10 and minus 3. So plus minus minus. We need to do subtraction. So 10 minus 3, it's a 7. Denominator as it is. Sign of big number. Here big number is 10. So sign is positive. Plus 7 by 6. Okay. This is the method. Now let's take one more example. If here minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7. Okay, so 7 multiply with this 2. So 14, and before that negative sign is there. Then positive sign, 3 ones are 3, and denominator, multiplication of denominator, 7 3s are 21. Now in numerator, LCM part is done. Then we need to add or subtract. Okay, so first of all decide. So here one number have negative sign, one number have positive sign. So plus minus minus, that means we need to subtract this two number. So subtract small number from big number. So 14 minus 3. 14 minus 3, it's 11. Right? Denominator as it is 21. Then put the sign of big number. Here our big number have negative sign. So here we need to apply negative sign. That means our answer is minus 11 by 21.